Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I am in Kiambu, somewhere in Kiambu. I think this is called Shianda Estate or Shianda Village. And we're just hiking, we're just looking for places to go. And I'm looking for a waterfall. So let's go and see if we will find any waterfall or what activity there is around here in Kiambu County. So let's go, follow me. It should be this way. Oh, there is a car coming. Be careful. You want to pause first? So one thing I've noticed in this Shianda estate, or rather Shianda village, there is a lot of coffee farming. You can show them, my camera person. And there is also a lot of tea farming. And I want to see what else there is. You know what this place reminds me of? It reminds me of where I grew up from, because we used to have a lot of coffee. My father was a coffee farmer, may his soul rest in peace, and we did a lot of coffee. Cars here, there's so much cars that we have to keep pausing, right?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah. So this whole environment has taken me back, like when I was growing up, you know. But let's not forget what brought us here. We want to look to see if we can get a waterfall. I can ask this guy, what do you think?
Yes.
Let me ask him. You can walk a little bit faster, there are cars. And as usual, I'm not alone. I'm here twinning with my person. Natasha, do you want to say hi? This one never says anything. So guys, let's go and see what we can find here, what activity. I just want something to do with nature, and if I can get a hiking place, I'll be happy. Guys, we have found a place to go. We have seen a dam as we were walking in this beautiful green environment of Kiambu County. We saw a dam and we want to go see what's there. I also noticed there's a lot of tea farming around here. Everybody is having something to do. So let's go, and I've armed myself with the sun hat. Ladies, in my comment section, if you want to know where I bought this sun hat, reach me out. It's actually from Mawa Beauty Products on Du Bois Road. So, Natasha, let's go. Do you know the name of this? We
No.
used to eat them when we were young, but they are not yet ripe. They would turn either black, and we would pluck them and eat them when coming from school.
I think we did that when we were young. I remember doing that.
Where, Natasha?
For real, I remember doing it.
In the village?
Not
Or
in the
town?
village. Here, like when I used to go to school.
Because as
primary.
we used to do it in the village, and now you're coming from the school and you're so hungry, and you're not even sure if your mother left some food or she just went to the farm. Anyway, come. Okay, there goes our dam. Let's see. We are not sure what's exactly is in this dam. I don't see anyone doing any fishing, but right there's, I think, you see there, Tasha?
Yeah.
I think there's a company for flowers. You see those structures over there? And another thing I've noticed with this area, there is no, like what? You see, like maize plantation, it's not a lot, or maybe something like potatoes or beans. I do not know what they eat or how they survive here. Let's see. Village shenanigans. Hello. You know, remind me a bit your story. You know, this place has reminded me. Let's go, I show you. I want to beat this story with everyone. It's funny and sad. It's not sad. So you see the way this road is hilly, coming down this way. So when we were young, we used to have a farm somewhere where we used to go like down. So on this one morning, and I woke up. Let's turn the camera so that we beat the story very nice. And I know my siblings will remember this story. I woke up one day, like the way we were brought up, yeah, we used to go to the farm, but mostly if you are the last born, like for where I grew up, my family, I never used to go to the farm a lot. I would remain at home maybe with my sisters. We do some house chores like laundry, washing the house, sweeping the compound. So this one morning I woke up. I found like everybody has left me and they have gone to the farm. So my father used to have this pickup. I remember it was KVE. It was a Datsun. So when I left, like when I came from the main house and I came outside, I saw like the pickup going. You see the back of the pickup. I saw it now, ikipiga corner. And then that's when I realized that these guys have left me. My siblings have gone to the farm without me. Yes. So let me tell you. Say Kipchoge.
So like akina auntie and uncle left you.
They left me. So and being the last born, you know, there's that stubbornness. I'm crying, running as fast as Kipchoge, following this car. Mind you, I don't know, even one of my brothers was driving. I don't know why he could not even stop the car and wait for me. I'm crying. The whole village is watching me. I'm not telling you like I'm crying like quietly, loudly, causing chaos and dramas in the whole village. I'm crying. I'm following the car. And I think by the time they were reaching at the farm, I reached almost the same time with the car. That's how fast I ran. Hey,
You're actually running to go with them.
yeah, so why are they leaving me? I could not understand why they were leaving me behind. And I think the reason why they could leave me is because you see, when you're young, you won't do so much work at the farm. It's maybe you will be a burden actually, because maybe they have to keep following you, checking you where you are. You're just there to disturb. But me, I never wanted that. I wanted them to go with me. Hey, say I followed that car, and the crying. Do you know, it was a village like exactly, you see this road? I was coming down like this, following that car, and I'm crying on top of my voice. The whole village is watching me, and I'm running after the car. Eish. But anyway, now I've grown. I've stopped those, you know, last born shenanigans.
Yeah.
Let's go see. What do you think we should do?
I can't believe they left you.
They did, because, you know, sometimes when you also grow up with elder big siblings, even when they want to go somewhere, they leave you behind. You're lucky. Nobody leaves you behind. Me, they used to leave me behind, especially when they want to go visit their friends. See, they would hide from me and go. But anyway, but if I was to choose my childhood life again, I would still choose that life. I'm not gonna lie. You know, the camera was on Zoom. Did you notice?
No.
I hope the video came out nice.
It came out nice because
Yeah.
before, I think that because do you know what you,
Yeah, the Zoom was
then this is the only thing showing, so that's why.
looking like an umbrella.
Yeah.
So we also used to have this a lot. When they are burning the charcoal at home in the village, they use this to cover it, if I'm not wrong. So I don't know, we've reached the end of this village. So we just have to keep walking and see if we can find something like a waterfall. Someone told me there's a guy said that there's a waterfall and a cave somewhere here, but it's not so big. So I think we will just go and see, right?
Yeah.
So guys, after asking around the village, we found someone who told us that there is a waterfall and some caves where people will come to do some hiking, and others just actually go there to pray in the caves. So we're just gonna take the hike, walk down the waterfall and see, well, if it is true people do come here to pray, others come here for hiking, even though you have to go through someone's farm, but there are no restrictions. So let's start walking and get to see. And I think I'm hungry. You can hear the way my tongue is slow. Show them the coffee. There's lots of coffee here. Looks very healthy. Well enough, yeah? The funniest thing is, you see the tea plantation, this one there, even their fence is made of tea. Did you realize that?
Oh yeah.
Ulikuwa umenotice?
No.
But the place looks so good, but well, I'm trying to understand how they are farming coffee and tea at the same time. Meaning the climates could be, sometimes it could be, maybe it gets cold and sometimes it gets hot. Let's just wait here a little bit and then we take a breather and then we continue. So we are hiking down, or rather walking down. You can hear the sound of the water. Oh, that's so relaxing. I love your hair and I love your hat. I love your whole outfit, by the way. Your shoes, you look very demure, very cutesy. What does that mean anyway? I've been hearing it on TikTok.
Demure is like saying modest.
Oh, demure is like modest.
Yeah.
Oh, you look so demure, so cutesy, so mindful. Oh my god, this place looks so good. Oh, there's someone with their bike. Hey, how do people, their houses, how do they get down there? I wonder.
hapo basi.
Sorry. Okay, so we have decided to take a little breather so that we can have our snacks because it has been a long hike. We've been walking up and down, but it was a good experience. Some of us here even fell down, but that's what hiking is all about. So let's have our snacks as we try to figure out what is our next move or our next destination, guys. So watch this video until the end. Kenya is beautiful, guys. More views. Wow, this is lovely. Look at that. Okay guys, we are done with the hiking. We enjoyed the waterfall and we have left the Sianda, or rather as my Kikuyu fellows would call it, Sianda farm, and we came all the way through Tigoni, and I think we'll be going through Denderu and then back to Nairobi. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. If it's your first time, please stop watching without hitting the subscribe button, and then I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. you.